Hello and welcome to StockMarketFutures.com. I am your host, Sean McConnell, and I just wanted to take a short video this evening to just kind of go over the TSX. I do have a TSX Today feature on the website. You can see it on the third button on the right hand when you do go to the website. And I just wanted to, as I said, post a short video. I was kind of inspired this evening from this new segment that the Globe and Mail has on their investment section. It's called Strategy Lab. They've also introduced, well, what they're doing is they're introducing 4 diverse or different types of strategies when it comes to investing in the stock market. They have, the biographies of each individual investor, what they've done. They've been given a $50,000 portfolio, and they each have 4 varied different growths, varying from dividend investing, growth investing, to value hunting. So it's a very good little article. I look forward to seeing more videos and writings in regards to it to see how they do progress, and it's something that I highly suggest you check out. Now, moving on to the TSX in terms of what we're looking at. Now, this is the weekly chart. I'll get back to that in a second. However, looking at a daily time frame, daily chart going back to the beginning of April, you can see that there was the creation of an upward rising channel, and we never really got too much or too close to the bottom. You can even see that this rising trend line coincides with the 50-day moving average here that we have as well. Now, as we got up to this upper area, we were approaching the previous resistance, pardon me, at the 12,350 area. And as we got up there, we kind of flagged out. We had that very big announcement, and we broke above it, and we closed above it, and then we gapped above that even further, and we've been up above there since then. And that has been a very, very substantial move from the lows back in June and July. So moving to the weekly time frame, we just want to kind of frame out what we're going to see moving forward. Once you kind of get into that area where there's no areas of resistance on the right hand side of your chart when you're looking at a daily time frame, you got to kind of look out a little bit further. And what I've done here is I've drawn out this weekly chart here. And you can see that I did have a post probably black in the July area, maybe even August, where I posted that there was a head and shoulders pattern that we had to look out for. Right here you have your left hand shoulder, you have your head here at the top at 1425, and then the other previous shoulder right here that formed back in the start of 2012. And the kind of coincidental thing that happened is that each of these formed within the beginning or first quarter of each calendar year. You see 2010, here's your right hand shoulder, or sorry, your left hand shoulder. 2011, here's your head, formed in the first quarter. And then following this year, you had your right hand shoulder formed in the very beginning of the year. And that was what kind of made me pick that pattern out a little bit to keep an eye out on. And I said that if it didn't actually break this previous high here of the shoulder, that it's still going to be intact. So we do have strong support, but there still is that tact, a long-term trend where this could be, something that you want to take consideration of. But that won't be for a little bit, because we do have now 2 substantial areas of support that we have broken through. So moving forward, our next area of resistance that you can see that I've outlined here is at the 1275 area, or 12,750. I just kind of chopped the 0 off just to keep it easier. But we've broken out of this implied downtrend line back in the beginning of August, and we haven't looked back. We haven't even come back yet to test this breakout. So, in the coming weeks or months, I could see maybe a push back down and then a retest to go back up to the 1275 area. Like if you look here, since the beginning of 2012 up until May, a good 4 or 5 months, we were just trading in that range. And it's all about when you get into that range, are you going to buy the breakout and sell the top? Are you going to go short here and short down? It depends on your depends on your strategy of how you're going to trade your stocks. But you do need to keep that in consideration because market direction is always going to dictate the price movement in whatever equities you're in. So again, just a short quick video to go over, just to keep an eye out for the 1275 area and also down here at previous support at around the 1200 area. So again, just areas to keep an eye out for moving forward in the next couple weeks, maybe even months, because this is a weekly time frame. But again, just to keep an eye out on that. And again, best of luck in trading. Always use your stops and always stick to your theories. And again, like I said, if you want to try a new theory, or if there's something that you feel that you're not trading to your expectations, take a look at the Global Mail Strategy Lab. Sometimes you're going to see something that you didn't really consider before, and it's always an option. So again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next few days or the next time I have a video up. We'll talk to you then. Take care.